guys, hope you're doing well. So today I wanted to go and share some pieces that I recently picked up from Zara and H&M. Springtime, which is probably has really kind of made its way to like my #1 season. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's perfect. The flowers are blooming. Pretty much a gigantic haul. Don't judge me. I do usually like clean out a lot of the pieces from my wardrobe, just pieces I haven't worn or are not really my style. I tend to donate them, and then whenever I feel like it, I'll just go pick up a few new pieces. So this is what we're working with today. So we're gonna start off with H&M. First thing I got is this pleated dress. By the way, I'm using completely natural lighting today. The lighting fluctuates throughout the video. It's because it's a pretty cloudy day, but then it goes sunny and then it goes cloudy. So just kind of bear with me here. It's pretty, but I'm not completely in love with this dress. Kind of misshapes you because of these pleats and just like how baggy the sleeves are and everything. I do like how there are these strings on the end of the sleeves to kind of mimic balloon sleeves, so they'll kind of cinch at your wrist or wherever you want it to and then be loose throughout the arm. But I don't know, I'm just not really in love with this dress. I don't really like it on. I love the color. I just wish that it wasn't as loose at it as it is. Like that I wore this, however, is I did wear it with the belt, but then the problem wearing it with the belt is what happens is the belt kind of cinches the fabric into like one place, and then it just looks a little weird from the back. You guys will get a better picture of what I mean when I actually try on the dress. The next thing that I picked up is this trench coat. I have been on the hunt for the perfect trench coat. It has to be the right material, it has to be the right length, it has to be the right color. Definitely ticks off 2 of the 3. However, where this trench coat lacks, in my opinion, is the length. I just wish it was a little bit longer, but the color is so stunning. It's that perfect camel color. It has like these shoulder detailings right here on the sleeves. It also has like some metal detailings by the collar. So I really do think the details on this coat is absolutely stunning. The price that I paid for this I believe was 50 USD. It definitely looks like it can be a lot more expensive than that. So I definitely do like this. Fabric is so different. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not structured like normal trench coats, because usually trench coats are more like cotton material, and I might pick this up in a size larger. I got this in a small, which fits me perfectly fine. I like my trench coats and coats in general to be one size bigger because I love that baggy sort of fit. I've been on the hunt for like a really nice tweed blazer, but I feel like Zara is so expensive. I was looking at some at Zara and it was just crazy expensive, and then I did look at some from H&M in the past, but I never really liked the quality of them. Just kind of ordered on a whim online. I don't know what it is. I just noticed it's a petite. It's in the petite section, which I didn't notice before, but I did get this in a size bigger. I got it in a medium, again because I like that loose kind of baggy fit. I really love the material. The tweed is nice. It's not too overwhelming, and it has and it's not like black and white. It's actually like a beige with black and then a little bit of gray, so I kind of like that. It doesn't make it it just kind of like tones down the overall look. Only thing I'm concerned about is like the longevity of this piece, just because I can notice that some of the fabric is starting to bunch up here and just kind of like fall. Like the only thing that I'm concerned about is just like the longevity of this piece, but other than that, it is so versatile. And this is one of those pieces, again, that I think is such a nice transition from like winter to spring. The next piece that I picked up from H&M, I'm pretty obsessed with it. This is this like jacket. Don't know what to call these. I know it's a shacket because like a shirt and a jacket combined, right? I really love the color of this. It's this beautiful like cream color. I can already imagine wearing this with so many of my outfits. It's gonna look so good with like an all black outfit, and then just kind of popping this on top. Oh my god, that would look so nice. The material is so nice. It's pretty nice and thick, but it's not like too thick either. And I will link everything down below. I did pick up these items fairly recently, so I should definitely be able to find them and link them for you guys. Last thing that I picked up from H&M are these black trousers. The quality is okay, like it's not bad. I actually kind of like the fabric. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. It's definitely much more of like a linen and cotton like mixed together. However, I just don't really like the fit. I think from the bottom could have been nicely tailored. I don't want to spend extra money and get them tailored. It's definitely one of my pieces that I really wasn't that impressed with, but maybe if I can style it with something, I'll like it a little bit more. So from Zara, I picked up quite a lot of things because Zara just had such beautiful clothes. I don't know, this season I feel like Zara's like really kicking butt. Every time I go to this website or even in store, I just always come out with something because they have such nice pieces these days. And if you shop online from Zara, you definitely know it takes a lot of brain power. Just such nice pieces that I personally would never wear like that. I love my basics. I think when it comes to style, I'm pretty basic. I don't really, you know, wear any loud colors. My wardrobe for the most part is pretty neutral based. The thing I picked up is this cardigan. So this is like a cream and navy blue cardigan. It has these really like nice like gray buttons here. Just love the details of these buttons. And this is such a thick knitwear. I don't know, there's something about this. It's such a nice, like it's such a nice material. It's very thick, and this is perfect for just like those chilly days. And then you can also have this on and then just layer like a sweater underneath for colder days. So I do really like this piece, super versatile. It's a cardigan, it's like a basic long cardigan, but I love it. Keeping the trend of shackets, I picked this one up. This one is just like a same kind of like plaid tweed material, more on the thinner side. And I don't know, I love this so much. It's not super thick, like I said, but I really was gravitated to it because of the color. Again, I love the buttons. These are just like these wooden buttons. One thing I actually do really appreciate about this jacket that I didn't realize, because I did order everything online, I didn't realize this while the model was wearing it, is that the sleeves are actually elasticated on the bottom. So that way I love like just rolling up my sleeves, and this will just kind of make it so much easier just to kind of roll it up and then kind of have like the sleeves puff up a little bit. So definitely great for styling purposes. I love the details of this. Definitely a must-have spring item in your closet. And then next I picked up this blazer. It's like this like a cool tone sand color blazer. I really like how there's like these shoulder pads here to kind of give you a little bit more of a structured material. Is beautiful. This is definitely something, again, that I feel like will last a very long time if I treat it with love, and that's why I like to invest in a couple nice pieces. I got is this sweater. It does this very wide collar and like neckline, goes all the way back. It goes like much further down your back than just your shoulders. I love the color. Navy blue is such a beautiful color, and it's definitely one of my favorites. So absolutely love it. And it's a really thick material as well. It's like a thick wool, I guess, but it definitely feels really nice. I love pairing this with anything. You can wear it with like black pants or jeans, you know, wear it with sneakers. There's so many different ways to style this. And again, this is just like a really nice basic piece to have in your wardrobe. I got this black sweater vest. This sweater vest is pretty nice. I wish it was a little bit more cropped. The way that I am gonna style this is definitely different. I'm thinking about styling it with like a gray, like long sleeve bodysuit underneath, and then just kind of wear this. I don't know, I don't really like when people wear sweater vests sleeveless. I like them layered on top of something. So I'm probably just gonna layer this underneath like a plain white, like collared linen shirt, or even just like a gray bodysuit or a black bodysuit, whatever it may be. I already styled this, and I was actually pretty impressed with how much a simple sweater vest can like elevate an outfit. Material is really nice as well. I don't think the little knits or like the single thread on the knits is gonna go loose. Hopefully invest in these kind of hangers. They're kind of cheap, I'm not gonna lie. They break up on me all the time. However, this is the best thing. I only buy them not for like everything in my wardrobe, but just the pieces that are a little bit more slippery or that are knits that I don't want to fold because I don't have enough space. So I'll just kind of go ahead and put it on these, and then that kind of makes sure that the fabric and your piece will last a lot longer. This is an accessory piece, but I just got this belt. I needed like a nice brown belt. I wish it was a little bit deeper. It's more of like that orangey brown. So I'm not really sure how I like that, but when I tried it on, I fell in love with it, mainly because of the buckle. I think the buckle just kind of sold it for me. It's really nice. It's like an antique gold hardware, and I don't know, I just really like it. It's pretty thick, and then it has like this leather piece at the very end here. So Even though the color may not be all that great, I think once I style it, I'll like it a lot better. Okay, and then next I got two of my favorite pants from Zara, straight black pants, and I actually got like a camel one last year, and then I think I returned it because I thought it was way too tight. Like I like to dress a little bit more comfortable, and so yeah, that one was like way too tight. So I have the size I wanted because I wanted a medium, but then again, Zara brings it out this year in the spring collection, which I was so excited about because these come out every spring. And so I got a black one. Love it. Oh my God. If you guys can get one thing from this entire haul, please invest in these pants, because when you try them on, they just make your body look snatched and they're so comfortable. And again, they're basic pieces that you're most likely, if it's your style, you're gonna have in your wardrobe for a really long time. So I got these again, and then I got it again, and I got it in a medium. And this is just like a really nice camel color. My camera is washing it out a lot, and I feel like you can't go wrong with beige and black straight pants. And the fit is just so nice, which is why I'm returning those H&M ones for sure, because once I got the Zara ones, I'm like, the fit on them are just so much more flattering. There's no point in having two of like the same pants. I'd rather have the Zara ones, so those H&M ones are definitely gonna go back. You know, like those pants are my favorite, but I think this is like my second favorite thing in this entire haul, and it's this really beautiful like Bordeaux shirt. I don't know what this fabric is. It's definitely a lot thicker than chiffon. Like I can get away with wearing this and have like nothing on underneath because it's not see-through whatsoever, but it's just this plain long collared shirt. Just love it. Like I love the shade. I love deep shades and just neutrals for the most part, and so this is so like up my alley. I don't know why I don't see this kind of stuff a lot, so I knew this is something that I definitely need to have because I'm gonna get use out of this for so long. I couldn't help myself but notice that that shirt had matching trousers, and I caved. I got the matching trousers because they're that good with marketing. So it's the same exact color, same exact material. They're just nice, long, loose fitting trousers. These pants are a little bit longer on me, so I tend to fold them. They have little pockets on the back, and also they have pockets on the side, which I love pockets. I appreciate it. Space for you to put a belt, which I'm most likely gonna do because these are a little bit looser on me. They're in a size small, and so I do like things to be fitted around my waist, and then they can go looser down. Definitely like those two things are just so versatile, and you can wear them together or even separately on their own, but I absolutely love those pieces. So nice. And then I was on the market for like a really nice black coat, and I saw how Zara had these, and it was like part of their special price section. Basically their special price section is trendy and like nice pieces that you will mainly find for quite expensive. They're just kind of marketed down to like a more like affordable price tag. So I got this from that section, and it's just a black coat. There's a lot of lint on it. I'm sorry. I keep my coats displayed on my rack, and I have a cat, and my cat's hair is like everywhere in my room. Simple black coat. It doesn't have any buttons. It's not super long. So if you are looking for a coat that has buttons and you want it to be very long, then this is not going to be for you. This does go like mid calf on me. One thing I love about this is that it also has pockets. I just love anything with pockets. Pockets come so much in handy, especially when you're out and about. And I got this in a size medium, and I'm so happy I did, again, because I like everything baggy. And the reason I like that is because whenever I wear like coats that are baggy, it's mainly because I'm wearing an outfit underneath that is like very tight and form-fitting. It's just something I know I'll have in my wardrobe for a really long time, and I'm just happy that I got it for such a good price. And the very last thing that I picked up from Zara are these white pants. They're just like these off-white mom jeans, and I got them for a pretty good price. So funny, I actually got done and I was in line. I paid for everything, and the line was pretty long at Zara. As I was walking out after I got done paying for everything, I noticed these, and I was like, dude, I have to get these. Like, what the heck? And I went back all the way in line to get these. So definitely really happy with my purchase. I just feel like they really just kind of elevate any outfit. You guys, so that is it. That is everything that I purchased from H&M and Zara for the new spring season. I think I'm good with any shopping. I'm going to be avoiding stores as much as possible. These pieces are great transitional pieces, and you can just wear them anytime, even in the summer if it's like super chilly. Like, I feel like I can take majority of these pieces I bought into summer with me, and it's absolutely perfect. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I picked up at Zara and H&M. I will have everything linked down below, so if you like any of these pieces, I'll make sure that I link everything. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!